My name is Corey Halverson. I am the technical education instructor here at Osseo-Fairchild High School. For us, being more of an industrial focus, we want something that's going to be rugged. It can withstand the students day in and day out, but also something that as we go to the different environments in this facility, can it handle the dust from a woodworking shop? Can it handle the sparks from a welding area? Can we handle the chips from a machining program? We had previously worked with WB in the past. We were very satisfied with the stuff we got. And for me anyway, looking at, can they withstand, the students day in and day out, and are they nice looking items, And it kind of stick out for me, especially on the assembly side, user friendly. We have our computer stations for our engineering design. Our skill boss trainer here can have all its hookups and manuals and various power supplies. Everything's right there on that station, and he's portable. So now we have the capability to wheel this over to the high school and do a demonstration for the middle school, or take it to the other room and show somebody something. And now everybody has space to work. They're spread out. They've got a dedicated resources there to use, so there's no kind of fighting over for this cable or that cord or this tool. So there's more engagement, but there's also a little bit more structure. Our setup here for our engineering design has allowed for a little bit more flexibility, especially compared to our previous setup. We have a little nicer setup, but with the newer tables, everything's a little bit more inviting as far as the students want to take those. And then especially for flexibility for activities, our learning center room across the hall there as well, we opted to get the tables on casters, which is awesome, because now if we want to do a larger class activity, 2 minutes, we can rearrange the room.